The Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro is a compelling, flagship killer that offers outstanding performance, an excellent display, and a versatile camera system at a competitive price point. It is well suited for users who want flagship features without a premium price, though its software can have some bloatware and it lacks wireless charging. Here are the pros, cons, special feature and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Flagship performance. Powered by the high-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the Poco F8 Pro delivers fast, fluid, and stable performance for gaming and demanding tasks. The 3D triple-layer ice loop cooling system helps manage heat effectively during heavy use. Stunning display. It features a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a high 1156 by 2510 resolution, and an impressive peak brightness of 3500 nits, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility and a vibrant viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Impressive battery life and charging. The large 6,210 mAh battery provides excellent all-day endurance, even for heavy users. It supports rapid 100W hypercharge, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in around 45 minutes. Capable camera system. The phone features a versatile 50MP triple camera setup, including a main sensor with OIS, a telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. It can record video up to 8K resolution, and the main camera delivers sharp, detailed photos in good lighting conditions. Premium audio. The stereo speakers are tuned by Bose, providing a richer, clearer, and more immersive sound experience than many other phones in its segment. Durable design. The device has a premium look and feel with an aluminum frame, glass back, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, adding peace of mind for everyday use. For cons. Software bloatware. The HyperOS software comes with a number of pre-installed apps and occasional ads, which can be an annoyance for users preferring a cleaner interface. No wireless charging. Unlike its higher-end sibling, the Poco F8 Ultra, the F8 Pro does not support wireless charging. Camera limitations. The 8MP ultra-wide camera and 20MP front-facing camera lack autofocus. Low-light performance can be adequate but not outstanding, with noise sometimes visible in darker scenes. Charger availability. While the phone supports 100W charging, some regional box contents do not include the power adapter, which must be purchased separately. For special features. Sound by Bose. A major feature, the symmetrical stereo speakers are tuned in collaboration with Bose, offering 2 distinct audio profiles, dynamic and balanced, for a punchier, more immersive sound experience in games and movies. Flagship-grade telephoto lens. Inclusion of a dedicated 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom is a significant upgrade for the Poco F series, providing clear and stable portrait and zoomed shots. Extreme display brightness. With a peak brightness of 3500 nits, the display offers exceptional visibility even in direct sunlight. With Touch Display 2.0, the screen remains highly responsive and accurate even when your fingers or the display surface are slightly wet, which is very useful in humid conditions or during workouts. 100W hypercharge plus large battery. The combination of a massive 6,210 mAh battery and ultra-fast 100W charging ensures both exceptional endurance and minimal downtime. Overall conclusion. The Xiaomi Poco F8 Pro is a genuine, performance flagship that hits all the essential marks for demanding users, offering exceptional value for money in the competitive high-end segment. Its biggest strengths lie in the trifecta of powerful performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite, incredible battery life, 6,210 mAh, and blazing fast charging, 100W. The premium additions, such as the Sound by Bose stereo system and the dedicated 50MP telephoto camera, elevate the user experience beyond a typical value phone. While the exclusion of wireless charging and the lower-resolution 8MP ultra-wide camera are compromises to hit its price point, they are easily outweighed by the flagship-tier chipset, the immersive display, and the robust IP68 build. It is an excellent choice for gamers, power users, and multimedia enthusiasts looking for flagship-level power without the ultra-premium price tag.